How to turn off all vibration settings for your Samsung Galaxy A16 smartphone. So I'll show you where to go to find all these vibration settings. Let's do it. First, you'll go ahead and use the quick access. Then tap on the settings toggle found at the top right here. And as you enter here, you'll want to go down until you see sounds and vibration, this option here. Once you're here now, you will notice there are different vibration settings. So one, if this is set to vibrate, go ahead and press mute. That's going to mute everything and nothing's going to vibrate for the most part. Now, if you want to leave this on and just go in and turn off specific vibration settings here, first go down the list. So now we have call vibration. This is the first one. And for just about every vibration setting, you will always have a silent option. So these are just the different types of vibration you'll get. But if you want to silence or no vibrate for calls, go to silent. And you can always come back and change these at any given time. You also have notification vibration. So if you've been receiving notifications, your phone is just vibrating and you just don't like that, switch it to silent. Now we have the system vibration. This one is going to give you the different vibration feedback for certain functions. You first have the master switch. This is going to be the strength of the vibration. And if you notice, as I go ahead and adjust this here, when I bring it to the far left, you'll notice there's this little cross on the wrench, which means there is no vibration for no settings whatsoever. Now you can choose to leave this on for the strength of the vibration or the intensity. And this is your feedback vibration. So touch interactions, you don't want it to vibrate. Like for example, using your navigation buttons, you will go ahead and turn that off, or going back or touching anything else. The dialing keypad, when using the Samsung keypad, you will have a vibration making a call. So turn that off. Also with the keyboard, if your default keyboard is the Samsung keyboard, when you're typing, turn this off for no vibration. Whenever you plug your phone to vibrate, you will feel a vibration. Turn this off if you don't want it. And the navigation gestures. This is different from the buttons here. So you want to turn this one off for the swipe gestures. And yes, you can come back and turn these on at any given time, as I said earlier. And also, if you want to do this with the sounds, you'll see the sounds area here. You can always come back and go ahead and change those if you decide to do that. All right. So we're back out of here and we have the last one, the intensity here. This is what we saw earlier for the main switch with all the vibration options. And of course, you can come back and change these if you decide to do that and bring it to nothing or just that. Okay. And that's that for this guide. Like and sub.